Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row on an autumnal day, and today we're planting garlic. So first you need to clear out the two beds that you plan to plant your garlic in. We always do two beds, and the size of those beds are 3 foot by 5 foot. That gives us enough garlic for the entire year. You don't need any fancy tools to plant garlic, you just need a dibber and the garlic. We're planting Ducot. We're going to split these apart now and you can see what they look like inside. Take your garlic, get your finger and thumb in, and split them open. As you see, that's what the garlic looks like inside. You want to break it out so you've got one clove. That's what's going to make new garlic for you. From 6 bulbs we broke up, I now have 36 cloves. You recognise this, you use this in cooking. This is what garlic is when you go into the kitchen. So when you plant this in the ground, it turns into a bulb. But you need to plant it now, because if you don't plant it now, there won't be a cold snap. And when it's a cold snap, this will split and you'll have several little cloves, and then they'll swell until next summer. When planting, remember the pointy bit is the top and the flat bit is the bottom, and that's how it goes in the hole, 2.5 times its depth. That way it'll grow really well over winter and the birds won't pluck it out of the ground. So using a short board as a straight edge, we can plant our garlic now. And it's simply a matter of taking the dibber, putting it in and driving a hole down. Now you want that to be 2.5 times deeper than the size of this bulb. So think about this bulb here, about that deep, you see? So you go in like that, take your bulb, drop it in, okay? And then you want to do a hand span apart for the next one and the next one and the next one. Let's show you. So as you can see, I've staggered the holes. There's about 4 garlic cloves to a row, but then I stagger them and alternate them so you can get more into a bed. And then it's just a matter of filling in the holes. And after covering over, don't forget, write a label, put it in so you don't dig them up over winter, because it does happen. If you like what we've done today, don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's any kind of films you want us to do over the winter, going into spring and next summer, just tell us in the comments below and we'll try and do that for you. Until next time, bye bye.